We've been invited to this event, so this is Barking BikeFest. Connected Kerb are in partnership with the London Borough of Barking and Dagenham to install 250 charge points on the street. We'll also be deploying air quality monitors, and this is extremely important for a borough such as Barking and Dagenham because they have extremely poor air quality. The London Borough of Barking and Dagenham is one of the most economically deprived boroughs in London, and Connected Kerb are committed to contributing £900,000 to install these charge points across the borough.
So being a London borough, we are experiencing high level of pollution, and I think it's important that we create more awareness for our residents, especially with our young people, to let them know that the level of pollution is so high, but also being eco-friendly, being more healthier as well. So walk more, cycle more, and try to use electric cars. So I'm really pleased that Connected Kerb also sponsored our youth summit, which was absolutely amazing, so well attended. All the schools in the borough in Barking and Dagenham took part. They're very much conscious about having a clean air to breathe, having eco-friendly vehicles, having green energy and more trees.
We hope with our outreach to local residents, joining events such as this one today, so we're able to let local residents know that we are committed to installing charge points, and hopefully this will help with their transition to an electric vehicle.